Today I'm painting a handsome young Mexican guy in a sombrero. This is actually number 3 in a series of paintings of handsome young Mexicans in sombreros. This is sombrero number 1, which is now in the collection of a friend of mine, a fellow painter who lives in Merida. This one is sombrero number 2, and this one is currently hanging in Culture, where I have my studio here in Puerto Vallarta, and it's still available. And today's painting will be sombrero 3. Here is the image I'm starting with, and here is the same image tweaked in Photoshop. This is something I do with almost every image before I start painting. It's a series of filters I use that remove detail and make the color areas easier to see. It just makes things a lot easier. And I will put a link to the video that shows exactly how I do this in the description below, if you're interested. As usual, I start by transferring the big shapes of the image onto canvas with pencil, and then I cover that whole thing with an acrylic wash. While the wash is drying, I start mixing the basic colors I'm going to need to get started. And then it's time to paint. The painting is called, as you know, Sombrero 3.